looking all the way back through the 5th. Last Monday, we look at these numbers every Monday. We are live if you have any questions. So I've got good news, bad news. So we've got a lot of new listings. However, we'll have to take a guess on how many active properties are still on the market from, actually, we can look back the last couple of weeks. So I'll make this quick here. I'm going to go ahead and look at numbers from this week here as far as for what has transpired. So we've had over 20 transactions that have come up here. New listings, 7 of them. Fantastic news. Unfortunately, 2 of those brand new listings are already under contract, meaning they're contingent. They have an accepted offer on them. They haven't closed yet, but they are accepted offers, meaning they're working through the process. 2 other properties have come back on the market, meaning they had an accepted offer. They're either contingent or pending. Now they're back to active. So if something's come up in the process, they're back to active. Doesn't mean there's anything necessarily wrong with the homes. They're just back to the active market. What was previously on the market, we had 5 contingent. 2 of those were those new listings. Couple more pending. 2 of those, one of those have already sold again in the last 7 days. So in the last 7 days, we've had 9 properties sell. So what does that look like if you are looking to buy in the Tiffin, Seneca County areas, and is the market we're looking at right now? So active, we've got a total of 25 properties. Of those, there's only 8 of those that are active properties that are not already having accepted offers on them, meaning we can go look at them. That's up 1 from last week with 7. So even with 7 brand new listings coming on the market in the last 7 days, that's 1 a day. We've only had a net gain of 1 active property that we could go show. 16 contingent, exact same as the week prior, and 1 pending, down from the 5 pending, meaning they're just about to close from last week. Sold properties, amazing, 9, up from 5, and then quite a bit from weeks prior. Was, again, a busy week then. So a lot of new properties coming up, a lot of them selling and going under contract again. And so still completely upside down from buyers looking for sellers. There's a lot more buyers than there are sellers. Definitely a seller's market. If you are actively buying, which I'm actually just about to go show a house here right now, you got to be quick. You got to be aggressive. You got to be willing to get out there and be first. So what is available? So if you're looking at 100,000 or less, there's only 3 properties. 100 to 200,000, there's 2 properties. 2 to 300, there's 2 properties. And then we're a goose egg from 3 to 4, 4 to 5. We still have that 1 hanging out there over 500 plus. So what has sold? So we like to look at this data then too. So if we're looking at any of the data in the last week, properties that have sold, what does that look like for you? Again, 20 total transactions. I'll get through this quickly here. Again, 3-bed, only single bath on average for what is sold in the last week. Square foot, 1,600, median 1,500. List price on average, we're at 147,600. Again, just what has happened in the last week. Listing price per square foot, hovering right about that 90,000, 89 to 91. Getting down to selling price. So selling price on average down from where it's been week over week, 131,000, median at 135,000. So cleaning up some of that mid-price inventory. Selling price per square foot still holding pretty strong. That square foot, we're looking at, 86 to 92 average and median, down again from what we've been looking at, week over week. Average days on market, an amazing, only 23 days on market on average. So that means sign in the yard, people start walking in the door to sitting at a closing table here, an amazing 23 days. So that's pretty much been unheard of. Properties are moving fast. They're closing fast. Again, list price to sold price coming in right about almost 100%, 99% almost across the board then. Doesn't matter to how long it's been on market. So there are your numbers. If you do have any questions, please let us know. We're going to do a first quarter wrap up from 2021 comparative of 2020. We'll take a look and see what those numbers look like, but a lot of stuff coming on. It is a spring market. We're hoping for a whole lot more to come online here. That'll help open up that market a little bit. We got a lot of people looking to sell. They're saying, hey, we will sell. We just need to find a place for them to go. So if you're thinking about, if you know anybody, if you got any inkling of somebody wanting to sell a house, or you want to sell a house, want to time the market, let us know. It is a fantastic time. If you want to check out your values, go to our website, 419homesearch.com. Check it out. Neat little pricing widget on there can get you all kind of information and set you up for your next home search. So until next time, Bill Jones, Remax Limited.